so this is how you make Fiji water. First, add 3 shakes of sprouts, Himalayan salt. 2, 3. Add 2 shakes of almond salt. 1, 2. Melted. 3 shakes of smoked paprika and turmeric. And 1, 2, 3. Then add 2 shakes of Roadhouse and ginger. I have no idea what this guy's doing. So then add 5 drops of some sunflower oil. And then add the lemon. And then you just need to stir it up a bit. Perfection!